The Sound Solutions range of systems are designed to enhance the acoustic environment within the home, both reducing the intrusion of unwanted noise and also allowing people to enjoy sound without the concern of disturbing others around them. Silent Floor is an upgraded internal floor for use in new build homes, loft conversions and extensions, where there is a need to provide enhanced acoustic separation between floor levels. This system features an upgraded ceiling system. Before we get started, let's take a look at the components and accessories used in the range. Gyp Frame RB1 Resilient Bar, 36mm Gyprock drywall screws, which are used to fix the resilient bars onto the joists. 25mm and 42mm Gyprock drywall screws are used to fix both layers of 15mm Gyprock sound block onto the Gyp Frame resilient bars. 15mm Gyprock sound block Specialist Acoustic Plasterboard. 100mm Ice-Over General Purpose Roll positioned in the joist cavity. Gyprock Sealant, which is supplied in foil sausages for sealing around the perimeter of the system to provide optimum acoustic performance. Now we will start to build the system. Where a fixing support is required for lighting, install a timber section 16mm lower than the timber joists to allow for the depth of Gyp Frame resilient bars. Mark the underside of the timber joists at 400mm centers to indicate the position of the resilient bars. Fix the Gyp Frame resilient bars to the underside of the joists using 36mm Gyprock drywall screws. To extend Gyp Frame resilient bars, simply place one section on top of another at the position of a joist and screw fix into position. Cut Gyp Frame resilient bar sections to fit between the main run of resilient bars on two sides of the ceiling perimeter. And screw fix into position. Position 100mm Ice-Over General Purpose Roll above the bars. Fix the base layer of 15mm Gyprock sound block to the Gyp Frame resilient bars at 230mm centers within the field of the board and 150mm centers at board ends using 25mm Gyprock drywall screws. Care should be taken to avoid a fixing at the position where the resilient bar passes over a joist. Any contact from the screw with a joist will increase the risk of sound transfer through the floor. The second layer of Gyprock sound block is staggered as required, both within the width and length of the board, in relation to the base layer. Fix into position using 42mm Gyprock drywall screws at 230mm centers within the field of the board and 150mm at board ends. Apply Gyprock sealant around the ceiling perimeter to provide optimum acoustic performance and minimize air leakage to the lining. Job done! Your upgraded floor is now complete and ready for plastering or jointing prior to second fix electrical and any cornice work to the internal angle of the ceiling perimeter.